Hello everyone, I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm Leatherneck. Welcome to my channel, Leatherneck IT. We're in TestOut Hybrid Server Pro Core. This is lab 4.10.4, configure NIC teaming. This is the last lab in section 4. This has been a very long section, and this is going to be a very fun lab, so let's get started. Okay, so it's taking us back to like Net Plus stuff where we get to full with cables. You are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You use the corp server for your production server and need to have the most throughput possible. As a result, you need to configure NIC teaming. In this lab, your task is to configure the NIC team on the corp server as follows. Move the network cables from the onboard adapter to the corp server to the 4-port NIC in the corp server. And then we take those cables at the other end and plug them into the appropriate ports. So first things first, we need to move this cable that it's wanting us to move over to the 4-port adapter. So let's go to the back. And here is, if you click on this, it shows you down here that this is the rack server 1U. This is the one we want. We're going to click on this cable and take it off the motherboard NIC and put it over into our NIC team. And we're just going to drop it right there. Now let's go back to the front of the rack and see where that cable is plugged into. So that cable is plugged into port 21. And next, we need to plug cables into 19, 20, and 22, and then we're going to plug the other end to our 4-port NIC. So let's grab some cables. Start plugging one in. There. Let's grab another cable. Plug it in here. Let's grab one more cable and plug it in here. Let's go ahead and highlight the first cable. I just like going left to right, so I'm going to highlight that one. And now we'll go back to the back of the rack. And we will plug that one in right here. So let's grab the other end, pop it in there. Okay, right down the row, let's go back to the front. Let's select this one and back to the back. Now we can take this end and plug it in right there. One more cable to full width, it looks like. Whoa, a little too far. In front. Remember, we got to skip over 21. It's already plugged in. So let's grab this one on port 22. Back to the back. And let's get it plugged in this last one here. Okay, all of our cables are connecting, our lights are blinking and flashing, everything looks good. Configure the adapter ports as member of a NIC team using the following parameters. Okay, so the configuration part is going to take place on the server, so let's click on there. Let's go to local server. Let's pull that up. And right there where it says NIC team, it's disabled. So we want to enable that. And this screen pops up. And so team name. So here's teams. Let's go to task. Select new team. And let's name it net team. Let's copy that to the clipboard and Control V to paste it. Configure Ethernet 3 through 6. So let's select 3 through 6. And then teaming mode. That's going to be in the advanced properties. Want LACP. Address hash, none. Okay, we're good there. Okay. We're good there. Put that down. Configure the Hyper-V Virtual Switch Manager to use this new NIC team. Okay, so let's go to Tools, Hyper-V Manager. Let's right-click on the Corp server and check out that virtual switch. It is the external. And it looks like we want to make that the Microsoft Network Adapter Multiplexer Driver, which is this one, and apply and OK. And while we're down here, we can go to our Network Sharing Center, and we can see that NetTeam is connected. So we met all the requirements. Let's see how we did. Well, let's pull that back down. And there you have it, another successful TestOut lab. I hope this video helps you out with this lab. These are fun labs. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. Let me know how it worked out for you, and have a good day.